US 78 west between Loganville and Snellville. We're going to turn left here on Rosebud Road. This should be a new video. I used to travel this road quite a bit. Haven't traveled it in a long time, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. There's Lawrenceville to the right, Conyers to the left. Snellville city limit sign is right there on the other side of the road, on the other corner. We're turning left, headed down towards Conyers, Rockdale County. It says leaving Snellville. I think Snellville ended up annexing a lot of territory that was not directly adjacent to. I think they annexed some pockets here and there scattered around. Of course, looking for tax money. There's an old house. And we'll go out here to, I guess it's Annistown, and turn right and go back to Rockbridge. Videoing with the GoPro Black 10 today. We're going to give it another shot. We won't be facing the sun long. Looks like they're getting ready to widen this. And there used to be nothing out here. Abandoned. I wonder if that course is still open. I can't remember what the name of it was. Looks pretty shabby though. Okay, this is Temple Johnson Road. We could go Temple Johnson. I need to get Temple Johnson, but we're going to go on over to, I think it'll be Annistown, and this may change to Centerville Rosebud here shortly. I'm not sure. Probably still have 10 more videos to get up from last weekend. South Carolina, South Georgia. Construction out here. Connor Development. Sewer taps out there, so that's individual subdivision, single family houses. Loganville, we're going to go through this. Well, all this stuff has changed so much. say that. This is a grammar school here, I guess, or middle school one. Rosebud Elementary. I may be on the wrong road. Yeah, I don't think this is going to get us to the Walton EMC. No, it's not. Tate Road to the right. Night Circle right there. We almost bought a piece of land out there back 30 plus years ago. Little 5-acre tract. Couldn't get clear title, so we didn't buy it. We'll come up to the old Rosebud store here and then turn right. That'll get the sun out of our eyes. Maybe this is going to be Centerville Rosebud from up here, and then once we cross 124 be Annistown. I can't remember all these roads anymore. It's been a while since I've been here. Unincorporated Rosebud. One of our builders built and moved in that house out here on the left. Wonder if he's still out there. Probably not. None of this stuff was here. Clearing another piece of property there. There's still a lot of property out here. Left will take you to going to take you to 20. The right is going to take us to 124, and straight ahead would take us to 20. And there's old Rosebud store. And I didn't look to see the name of the road. It's probably Centerville Rosebud.